Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeunie and I am back with another synthetic wig review. Today is a special treat because I am doing a review from Outre's Melted Hairline series, and it's a collaboration. Today I am collabing with my girl Ukoya, aka Silky Sax. I actually discovered Silky Sax channel when I came back to YouTube this year. Absolutely love her channel. She also does budget-friendly wig reviews like I do. In addition to that, she also does a lot of content. It's a variety of content on her channel. She does content on being a YouTube creator, a lot of helpful tips and tricks to help you grow your channel. Silky Sax is also an entrepreneur. Yes, I love beautiful, smart, go-getting, motivated, talented black women. Yes, absolutely. So her brand Silky Sax actually offers a line of hair care containers that will increase the longevity of your unit to make sure you guys are getting the absolute most out of your unit. So I love it. I absolutely do. I'm going to leave the link to Silky Sax channel in my description box below. You guys will have to be sure to check her out. Okay, so let me just tell y'all, Outre just every month they're just dropping these bombshell units, and our pocketbooks absolutely can't keep up with it. Well, at least my pocketbook cannot keep up with it. Another unit from their Melted Hairline series. I am reviewing actually today Roselyn. Yes, Roselyn. And when I saw Roselyn online, I actually, you guys are going to be tired of me saying I fell in love, but I honestly did fall in love with this unit. This unit reminded me a lot of one of my favorite units I've ever reviewed ever, and that's Motown Trust Farrah. And I think it's because it's a bob unit. Farrah was not an asymmetrical cut, but this color is kind of reminding me of Farrah a little bit. I actually reviewed a unit from Outre's Perfect Hairline series called Kira, and I did everything kind of behind the scenes because I am still very new to melting lace and gluing and using adhesive and all that good stuff. I really try not to use a lot of adhesive, just a personal preference, but I realized that I need to kind of get my feet wet so I can show you guys what I am doing. Plus, all these units that are coming out now are geared towards beginner-friendly versions to allow you to get comfortable with laying down your own lace. So I'm getting with the program. So you guys already know the Melted Hairline series is made for you to melt. So we're going to be using some type of glue or adhesive to melt her down to make her look as seamless and as realistic and natural as possible. So here's a behind the scenes look on how I melted down Roselyn. So when it comes to Roselyn, it's some very basic general specs, basic caps construction, you guys. You have combs, you have adjustable straps. This unit also offers baby hairs, HD lace. The hairline is pre-tweezed. And the parting space is pre-tweezed as well. Now I will say this, the cap space on this unit is fairly tight. Yeah, for me it's a bit snug. Now I remember when I reviewed Kira from their Perfect Hairline collection, that unit was fairly tight as well. I don't know if this series or this collection of from the Perfect Hairline and the Melted Hairline units run a little bit small, but yes, it's a little bit tight. I really like the style of this unit. It's very spunky, very fun. It's like a fringe cut asymmetrical bob. I really do love the color, but before I get into the color, let me tell you, the texture is, I don't know, it's a little bit on the silky side, a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit on the silky side, but I really do like it. So now let's jump back into the color. The color that I chose is this really pretty DR4 Creamy Mocha. This is my first time reviewing this color from Outre. And I mean, it's just a dream. It really, really is. It's hard for me to even describe this unit. It's a combination of colors. Like the root is a very dark brown, and then you have a variety of highlights incorporated into the wig, mostly like honey blonde, golden brown type colors. I mean, it really is very, very beautiful, very, very flattering. And this color is actually the color that is on the stock card model. Well, she's wearing one color, she's wearing two colors. So let's talk about the application process. Now, you guys know that I am not big on melting lace, so I'm really getting used to this, getting new to this, but despite all of that, it was fairly easy. I went in with my bed head, hard head hairspray, and I mean, I would recommend you just apply in sections. So usually I start at the front first and then I go to the sides. Now I will say this, with Perfect Hairline, when I reviewed Kira, I had some issues going on with the sideburns, and then they're not lining up, and then one side is longer than the other. I had the same issue with this unit as well. So I don't know if I need to do something differently or what, or do I need to adjust the parting space. The hair comes already parted, so I just kept the parting space as is, but you can adjust the parting space because it is a little bit wide enough for you to maneuver and change it if you need to. So I don't know if I need to do that in the future, but my sideburns, like the ear tabs, they just come down a little too far for my head, to be honest. Like for my face shape, my frame, yeah, it was coming all the way. Like it came down pretty low, but I was still able to camouflage it, and the hair kind of conceals and you won't really even be able to see that. So yes, the air tabs not lining up as they should for my head was a con. Another con for me were the flyaways. I did get a good bit of flyaways, which could be because I have a colored unit. So let's talk about the things I absolutely love about this unit. It's so much. I mean, this is an overall super cute, super fun, flirty style. It's very spunky. It's very edgy. Despite me being new to applying lace, I feel like I was able to lay this down pretty well and get a very natural look and feel. I mean, I would feel confident wearing this out and about. I really, really would. Despite me, not being an expert at melting lace, this was a fairly easy application, and I feel like this is good enough to where I would feel confident like going out wearing this. Sometimes when you're new to doing something, especially when it comes to our wigs, you don't feel fully confident in wearing it out. But I feel really good about how this unit came together. So that is it for me, you guys. Not a lot of real cons with this unit, and what I did identify and point out are really quick fixes. So yeah, I think that Melted Hairline Roselyn is an absolutely beautiful unit, an absolute dream. I think that you will like her as well. And even if you are a beginner to melting lace, I think, you know, experimenting with this hairline will be a good way to get your feet wet. Don't forget to head on over to Silky Sack's channel and check out her video. The link to her channel and her video will be in the description box below. Until my next video, I will see you guys next time. Bye.